FRACTAI is the Foundation for Research, Accreditation, Communication and Training in AI, and we are a non-profit, which means that we're run by you, for you. So anybody that joins us is able to get involved with us. They're able to do things like gain recognition through accreditation, get involved in impactful grant-funded projects. We've just completed one of those and we'll be publishing that. You can run seminars, podcasts, you can impact live legislation building. We've impacted live legislation building with Sensenelec and BSI by putting our feedback into policy documents and by putting our feedback into calls for evidence to government. So we are having a real live impact out there. You can meet a network of professionals. We mentor you if you would like that. And we've got many resources on our webpage. And we're always creating new ones when people ask us for different things. So we've recently been asked for resources for parents and children who want to know more about how to use AI responsibly and safely. And so we've provided that in the latest grant funded project. We help you stay up to date and gain new skills. And we've also got a lot of employer and industry connections. As you can see on our slide, we've got many different connections that we work with at the minute. And Sprite is a consortium of a few different top flight UK universities. So we are always working with new partners. So you can become qualified in an industry recognised process, and it was approved by a steering group, the accreditation, the processes that we use. All of these different people that you see in front of you were on that steering group, as well as many, many more. And the last kind of 5 years of empirical research and published papers, workshops with early careers, students, undergrads, industry professionals has informed how we've built FRACTAI. So we've built it from the ground up to be something that is for you so that we can really help you get into the workplace and move forward in AI. Demonstrating your skills and getting credibility is really important when you go for job interviews and when you want to progress in your job and get promotion opportunities. And we provide you opportunities to improve your CV and to get certifications, which gives you an advantage at job interviews, which, let's face it, we all want these days. Post nominals are always useful after your name. You can see how many I've got, and I use those for expert witness coursework. I use those for government work, defence work, industry advantage. And it's really key for me to be able to have them, because if I didn't have my post nominals, I couldn't do the work that I do, because I just wouldn't be a credible expert. So we do offer some AI certification levels. Once you get these post nominals, you can use them after your name, and then everybody will be able to see the competencies that you have, and you can prove what you can do. There is a whole competency grid sat behind this that shows how you can use AI ethically and robustly. And it's probably worth saying at this point that it's not just for coders. This entire institute encompasses all the disciplines that you can think of. We've got geographers, anthropologists, defence specialists, academics, industry, philosophy, geography. We've got people from everywhere, because everybody is either using AI, having decisions made about them by AI, developing it, and only one part of that is coding. The rest of it is how do we build responsibly and ethically, and that is about communication, resource management, understanding why we're doing things, not should we do it, but how can we do it properly, and designing safety into these systems. Can I have the next slide, please, Stella? So you can join us today on an annual student membership for £25 a year, and you can be involved in all of this and set up your own groups if you want to. We facilitate you to do whatever you want to do within AI, if it aligns with our mission. And let's face it, in a multidisciplinary non-profit, it probably will. So we will facilitate you to do what you want to do and to help you be the best that you can be in your job area and your career. We've got a lot of upcoming events that will help you with this. So we've got workshops, we've got seminars from experts. These are all free, so you can sign up for these today. Please feel free to do so. They're all on Eventbrite. The Citizen Literacy Project result is about our latest grant-funded project that we're about to publish. And there's a huge resource bank on our webpage.